It was hard to get the pike pole from out underneath this table, so Steve made a better spot for it. Stu leaving the forklift better than he found it. Nick labeling the breakers in the panel and cleaning it off. The manufacturer had their label upside down. Todd demonstrating how you can move 2 wheelbarrows with one. And doing a good 3S in the second panel build area. Wherever you're asking the question, that's where the answer should be. Leaving this area better than I found it. Dave utilizing the lean cave by adding a rubber O-ring into a leaky bottle. Steve cleaning and looking for problems, found a broken grease nipple and replaced it. Madison doing a good 3S wash of the trucks. Continuous improvements from Brian, making a spot for his drill bits. Improvements to the timesheet from Sandy, including vacation pay requests. We used to take our propane across the road to get filled, and it would usually take half an hour, 45 minutes, and that's if we had a suitable vehicle to take it across. Now we get it delivered from another company for less money from across the road. They'll be by every Friday to fill our tanks. The diesel flat deck has air suspension on the back, and it's adjustable inside the cab, so it's ever looking a little low. Here Todd shows us 90 PSI is a good amount depending on the weight of the load. Randy doing a good 3S upstairs and cleaning out the fridge. We've been using Kanban cards for inventory, but since Kanban just means visual sign, there's now this for the chipper maintenance, which is just a start and also has led to a whole bunch of other improvements that have started using Kanban visual sign. The stain area before, access inventory, not a place for everything, no real inventory control, post caps located where they'd get overspray, tripping hazards. Here's the after, way more visual and clean. There's going to be a tube-in system on the left for all the stain, overhead sprayer lines, lots of improvements here that I'll go over in another video to show everyone. Occasionally I like to leave little commentaries at the end of these videos. It's good to look back on as a point of reference. So in the last week, we had 2 key events that are going to be taking our lean culture to the next level. The first one being that we've started to do lean facility tours, and the second one being that we've been having new people lead the morning meeting that wouldn't usually run the meeting. So we'll discuss this in our morning meeting about why these 2 things are really important in building a lean culture.